Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. I'm quickly going to be going over Gamestop. It's quite late here in the UK, but I've literally just finished and I'm seeing it curl back again. So quite excited to get stuck in before post-market close. So the quick analysis is I'll be showing you the intraday charts, which I use, the 5-minute chart and the 1-minute chart, and I'll show you how I first got in. And why I got in and where I got out and everything that comes along with it. Right, so before I begin, my analysis isn't a recommendation to buy, sell or hold any stocks or securities. It's simply just an educational video only. Right, so let's get stuck into it quickly. So my alert got triggered at 20:44. That's UK time, so I don't know if it's US, probably around 4 o'clock, but let's just say about 15 minutes before the market was about to close. As soon as I saw that, I came into the charts. As you know, it was probably around this sort of time here, and I just went onto the minutely chart. Was it around here? Yeah, it was around here. So I noticed the mini cup and handle pattern, and it consolidated around here. When I saw the stock, it was actually around this, and it had already kind of made its pull already. So I didn't find a way to get in. I didn't really want to start sniping into the 15-second charts, because I know previously with GameStop, it's been a previous momentum stock and all of this WSP Reddit gang and all of that craziness that goes along with it. I just wanted to be a little bit risk averse on this one, and I knew it was coming towards the end of close. And as it did go up, it smashed into a halt, and I saw the LULD kind of trigger on the level 2s. So I was like, let's just wait and let's see if it what happens after the halt. After the halt, it smashed down and then it worked its way back up. And then I was waiting for the first 1 minute candlestick to make a new high, which was this one right here, this candlestick. So I entered, let me see when I entered. I entered at 6:08, which is US time. So that's obviously 9:08 UK time. I entered at 85.65. So let me just put that exact same bracket here, 85.65, I believe it was. So I entered literally right here. That was the first 1 minute on the exact precise point to make a new high. And as it made that new high, it smashed through 99.19. I would have taken profit. That would have been my strategy. I would have sold at 80. Did I sell some at 87.07? Okay, I sold some as it went up, and then I would have sold a little bit more around this sort of time, 91, I believe it was, or maybe I sold here instead of 91. Nevertheless, we bought in at 85.65, 1 minute candlestick to make a new high, and we followed this all the way up. I did scout a bit on the way up. I bought and sold, but the gist of it was it made its new high up here, and then it consolidated. In my eyes, it consolidated a little bit too much. I was looking for a ascending triangle, which was this. It did it. But then afterwards, when it broke this triangle around here, I think I even gave it a little bit more of a leeway. It broke the triangle on this big red bar, and I was out. So I was looking for my next move in, and I looked to the 5-minute chart to get in. So let's just reset this and go to this 5-minute chart. I was looking at the first 5-minute candlestick to make a new high. And that 5-minute candlestick to make a new high was literally this one right here. It made its new high at 19.05. 19.05, I would have bought in around there. Here we go. I got filled in at 19.10. So literally just around here. No, 119.10%. So literally exactly where I wanted it to be. And I followed it up another percentage. I would have scalped all the way up, I know that much, but I followed it up towards 200 where I ended my position. Why did I end my position? I'll tell you why. I actually recorded it for my Instagram. Let me see if I can show you on here. Here we go. So this was my buy signal. This was exactly as I told you, 82. If you go to my Instagram, it's Kosh Trading. I'll show you exactly where I did buy and why I bought it, etc. I don't know what I'm going through here. Oh, maybe I'll show you that ascending triangle that didn't work out in the end. And then I'll show you the consolidation that was happening on that 5-minute chart. So where do I actually have it? I must have it on my profile. How do I get onto my profile? Here we go. 200, yeah. This is what happened at 200. 131. 100, if you set the bottom there. Forget about those. 131. These are the amount of sellers there are. So this is the amount of buyers there are there. They have to overcome these sellers at 163. These people have to sell. Whilst they're trying to sell and they can't do it, the price is going down. So if it comes back and retests, if people are willing to buy at 200, there's not enough people buying at 200 to overcome this resistance, and that's why it's going to go down. So obviously there was a lot of adrenaline rush during that time there, but the nuts and bolts of it was at 200. I was watching the tape and I was watching what it was doing. So I'll show you what I was watching. I was watching this right here, and I was watching GME maybe. I was watching GME, and I was watching how many sellers there were and how many buyers there were. And from the tape, it was evident that there was too many sellers up here. There was about 50 million worth of volume worth of shares up here, so that it couldn't reclaim the, it couldn't move past 200. I had another alert out here which got triggered just not so long ago, in fact about 7 minutes ago while I was recording, and it was a 5-minute candlestick to make a new high. But we could see that I wasn't really too interested in this, just because although it did make a new high, I would have probably scalped all the way up and put a stop loss here. It might go back to claim it, but we don't know. My next play on this is really above 200. I want to see it really get up above 200, maybe even a VCP pattern. Yeah, so touch it once. Oops, the worst line in the world. This is on a 5-minute chart, but any chart would do. The bigger the chart, the better, really. But it depends if you're scalping or looking at it more longer term. But I'll probably be scalping because I don't trust GME. So I wanted to touch it once. Another contraction, but the contraction should be smaller than this one. Touch it twice. Oops, but you get that idea. Touch it 3 times and then it to break the line. So I don't trust the 200 mark because I know how many sellers there are out there. I know how many people are looking to that are going to be stuck up here, who are really scared. So I want it to touch once, touch twice, touch a 3 times. But once it does break 200, and if it does break 200, actually, I should say, I'm not sure if it will or not, but if it breaks 200, there's so many shorts up here that they're just going to be squeezed, and then we're going to go up and then do another, you know, GME times 2, 2.0. So yeah, that's how I'm looking to play GME. It does look like it's, if it makes a new lower high, then we're going back down. But if it goes the direction that everyone wants it to go, then it looks like it's going to be a good play. Hope you enjoyed the analysis. I hope it's been good. And if you've got any questions, do let me know. Remember to follow me on Instagram, Kosh_trading, I believe it is. Yeah, KOSH_trading. I try to give out not signals, but I show you what I'm looking at and why I'm looking at it. So definitely do check out if you've got if you want to know more. Otherwise, please give the video a like and a thumbs up. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm, and with all your likes and subscriptions, it's definitely growing the channel as well, and it's motivating me to do more. As I'm seeing this, it looks like it's spiking up here, so we'll be keeping an eye on it. Key level right now is if it could break that one, which is boom here, 160. I think it will break it, so we'll see if we can retest there. But yeah, that's all from me. Thank you very much. Have a good evening, or have a great morning. Thank you. Bye.